Awesome, thank you. We're here.
That guy was a horrible driver.
You don't like any Uber drivers.
I don't like many. I'm very particular.
Yeah, you are. I'd hate to be your
Oh, somebody
driver. Well, yeah, I
captains
am
the
your
vehicle.
driver sometimes, and it's not fun.
It's bad.
En route to Orange County, to the Nordhavn Film Festival. Can't wait to get there, see what they're planning. Lots of fun this weekend. Are you excited? What are you most excited about?
Winning.
Yeah, we're in the top 10. It's some stiff competition. If I had to put money on it, I would say we're not winning, but there's always hope. And congratulations to everybody else that's going to be featured tomorrow night. And looking forward to seeing the Nordhavn headquarters in Dana Point.
Go Nordhavn.
Yeah, go Nordhavn. We're here, OC Airport, about 45 minutes from Dana Point. So we're gonna get in our Uber and head to the Marina. We're gonna actually be staying on our friend's boat, Red Rover 55 Nordhavn. It's a beautiful boat. We've never stayed overnight, so it'll be fun to experience that and meet all of the other Nordhavn owners that are gonna be at the film festival. So here we go. Oh my god! Wow, it's a very secure marina. Oh, Mr. Sully's probably jealous.
Miss Sully?
After arriving in Dana Point and getting our cuddles in with little Max, it was time to head across the marina for a lunch of tasty street tacos and of course a quick tour of the Nordhavn World Headquarters.
How's it going?
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Keep the riffraff out here.
Yeah, I got a little dog.
Oh, is your little buddy in there?
Yeah, Chihuahua. Yeah, so thank you for coming. And
Yeah.
Our pleasure.
Oh my goodness.
Looking forward to the event. It'll be fun. Look at the little guy.
I have a.
Oh.
Hey. That's why I got the fence. Now we have a lot of dogs that come to work. I have a bigger one that they switch off. One day he comes, and one day the other dog comes.
Sure. Gotta be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone's always disappointed.
Having goodies and leftover things.
Sure.
Oh. So when you call for parts.
And do you know Paul Ito?
No.
Yeah,
I'm
Sean
Sean.
Elizabeth.
I've seen your video.
Absolutely.
Hi Paul, I'm Elizabeth.
Yeah.
That might actually
But that-
be Hull 3, right?
Is it? No way.
Do you think that's Hull 3?
I don't know. It might be our boat. If it is, maybe you should be having this.
It's green. Were they all green boot stripes? That totally looks like. That looks
I
like.
mean, if you can see anything like really uniquely identifying.
the green. I don't. The
Everything
green.
is all,
port lights.
we have two wind instruments. It used to have all Marina electronics on
The
it.
light, well, actually,
It had Kurt's custom kind of grill mount. I think he started that.
I'd say
I'll
this
totally.
If you can carry it home.
If you don't have a use for it.
Yeah, we'll
ride
take
around
it.
on Red Rover for a while.
Awesome. Oh my goodness. That's like a collector.
We can grab it too later when we walk out of here.
Okay.
Part of Nordhavn history.
Memorabilia.
Yeah.
They're making drinks to the right over now.
Well,
I apologize in advance for being high maintenance.
you are not. All right. I'm
Actually, I'm gonna sit like this.
Good.
I'm more. I have lots of movement in this.
Oh, Sean, when you get on later, can you help me put my shoes on?
Yep.
I'm gonna sit across from her.
All right.
Did you fill the gas up on the dinghy?
I did. With the blue spigot up there. Is that the right one?
Yes, exactly.
Something, so let's try.
Oh, I've got a good shot here.
You want to try?
Yeah, right in this way. Let's help you need it.
All right.
There are the Oscars, the Emmys, the Golden Globes, and countless other awards ceremonies, but none are as special and as unique as the Nordhavn Film Festival. What I think really makes this night special is the incredible community of owners and dreamers who come together time and time again to celebrate their love for their Nordhavns. Here goes. Red carpet. Excited?
I am. You clean up all right, Scott?
With over 30 years of building world-class boats, 6 million and counting documented ocean miles, 150 successful ocean crossings, 8 circumnavigations around the globe, and dozens more record-breaking stats, Nordhavn Yachts is truly oceans apart from the rest, and tonight was no different. How you doing, Sean? Are you having a fun time?
I'm having a great time.
Are you?
Great event.
Great event. What's your favorite part so far?
Just hanging out with other Nordhavn owners,
I know.
video
It's a pretty fun
makers.
time. Yeah. Fun to meet people in real life and see all the boaters dressed up and cleaned up. So, fun time.
Stand up for Sean and Elizabeth. This video features their Nordhavn 43 Freedom. Elizabeth and Sean Cranky explore the concept of freedom as they explore the Northwest. For them, freedom is not just an appropriate name for their Nordhavn 43, it's a way of life. Whether enjoying a glass of bubbly in a waterfall or sliding across glassy waters in their dinghy, the Crankies make a strong case for pushing the limits of freedom. Please enjoy.
People's Choice Award? Well, I guess my vote goes to our Nordhavn Life. While we didn't win the top prize, we enjoyed a wonderful evening and even had the honor of receiving the award for first runner-up.
All right, I'm pleased to announce that the first runner-up in the Nordhavn Film Festival is our Nordhavn Life, Sean and Elizabeth Cranky.
Our sincere congratulations goes out to everyone whose amazing films were featured this evening, and especially to the crew aboard the Nordhavn 120 Aurora for their heroic efforts saving precious marine wildlife and capturing it beautifully in their winning film, Aurora Saves.
Oh Jesus! I'm going, what the hell is that?
Aren't you used to big bright headlights at night? Elizabeth's just trying to give you a hand.
Yeah.
You want to turn the navigation lights on there, babe? So everybody, what was your favorite part of the evening? Kevin?
You guys almost winning first place.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, really nice.
Where are we gonna put it, Sean?
Good job. Somewhere on the boat.
Oh, it's cool. Yeah. I think Pilot House.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Pilot house it is.
Cool. Nice work, guys. Jack.
In Seattle, it'll always be pointed like this way.
Until next time, it's back to Seattle and back to boat life. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and head over to our new website, mvfreedomseattle.com, to learn more about us and our future cruising plans.